Well, I think I'm an independent person that can decide without any kind of stereotypes regarding what is good for football and for football. I think I have present today a strong manifiesto with some important changes that allows the organization to have more transparency, to cares more regarding the associations, to cares about the development in football, to have care about the cooperation between all the stakeholders in football. And I think with that I will try to convince the persons that decide that FIFA needs really a change. Well, I think is opening the debate in the Congress is only the hot matter regarding World Cup, confederations. They all want more spots in the World Cup, so I think is the way that we increase the number of national teams. With that proposals is coming teams directly more from non-European confederation, and we increase, of course, the money that can be received for invest again in grassroots and in football. Probably you're gonna have more 3-4 days of competition, and the format, I think, is just to open the debate, is just that the people can think the possibility to have 48 teams a World Cup playing in 2 different continents, 12 groups of 4, and then the normal structure. No? I think it's good for the debate. No?